Are we filming? Are we live? Oh my god. I was banned on Twitch. Follow me on Twitch.
Alright, so what are we doing?
We gotta take the headlights off. I have new headlights in the shiny box. Basically, we gotta put them on. Well, I don't know. Should I paint? I don't know if I should paint them first while we take it apart. Yeah, it's probably about Tony.
Paint what?
Paint the new headlights. Because we have to paint, not paint them, but put a clear coat on them. Because the eBay lights don't have a really good UV protection, so they'll become like this in a matter of weeks.
Oh, I see.
So we don't want that. We want to give it a really good, thick coating of clear. And then hopefully they look better. Okay, well, now the garage is back to the way it was. Like, I was cleaning and organizing tools. I was getting everything, like, sorted. Let me get my paint booth set up. Sorry, guys. We're going to paint right next to the Civic, so maybe the clear coat falls on it, and it'll be funny. Because I don't have, like, those weird little feeling thingies on it. Remember, kids, to hail as much of this as you can. It's really good for you. Don't do that. Don't fucking do that. Don't listen to me. Jesus Christ. So right now what we're doing is we have to clean the headlight. The headlight looks good. It has like some weird seals on them that they should work. I'm just hoping it seals. If it gets water in it in the first week, I'm pretty much just gonna not care, because I honestly don't care as long as they look clear and I could see out of them. Honestly, that was like the biggest issue. Like I literally wasn't able to see out the headlights, as you can tell being behind me. How nice the light is before I put it on this piece of shit. Look at the light. It looks so nice. Honestly, it's like the best. What? I think I paid $60 for them. I don't know if you see them. The hell, like, yeah. There's like a weird bubble here, and then like you can see like specks, and those are in the inside. I thought these were on the outside. They're in the inside of the lens. So I'm really not looking for perfection here at this point. I'm literally just looking for whatever I can get. Apparently, you can't find. So I need to do these headlights today because Byron was coming over. So I was able to find the 903s, 9003s, which are the headlights, regular headlights. I hate LEDs, right? So standard, Sylvania, Extra Vision, standard headlights. Standard headlights. No stupid bright ass fucking HIDs that like light up the entire night sky. The turn signal lights, I was less fortunate. I could not find them to be delivered fast enough. So I had to buy these insane ass fucking bulbs. Oh. These are the yeah, they're literally just a bunch of LEDs. And these should be amber. They should be amber. Because these headlights don't have amber covers, they have clear, so you have to have amber. Some headlights have amber, but I didn't order those because
insane.
Yeah, they look like a fucking grenade. I don't know. And they come in the ESD bag, but outside the ESD bag, they should have. Okay, this means nothing because this can absorb static. So why would you put it in an ESD bag? Like, because this will just eventually get static, wouldn't it? I don't know. Whatever. I'm not a scientist. I can't get over that. Hey guys, follow Mortal Beef for funny content. Where the fuck is this? I gotta get this thing out. It has like a hole underneath. I feel it. And when I go to it, it tells me no. Okay. This entire thing is like completely loose. Like, I don't know if you see this. Like, this entire piece here that's supposed to be mounted to the front of the car is just completely loose. It just, do me a solid. Can you go in the car, reach in the window, and, oh wait, you need the key. Grab the car key, put the key in the ignition, and then just turn the key wheel. Actually, you know.
Turn the wheel?
You're just.
I'll do it.
No. It's fine.
I'll do it.
It's fine.
I mean, what?
It's fine. You know what? You keep filming.
You can't. Oh my god.
It's all good. It's just.
Done it.
No. It's. No, you couldn't.
No.
It's fine. No, you're good. You're just a camera guy. Shit.
I what?
Should repaint this white to match the fucking wheels.
Yeah.
I would kill you if you even consider that
What do
an
you
option.
mean? What? Why not?
Oh my god, I hate you so much.
Like, I think it would look nice.
I think you would look like an idiot. Do you want to paint these white? We'll paint them white for you if you want.
The headlights?
No. The little bottom pieces on the headlight that you won't see under the car.
No, that wouldn't make sense.
We can paint those.
I'd rather this because...
I will paint that white as a fucking joke for you.
What? The grill?
Yeah, I'll paint that white.
This, right?
As a fucking goof. I swear to God, I'll paint that white.
You just said...
Oh, I'll paint it white. I'll make this car the ugliest thing in the world because you're just being a dick.
But why? Why are you so...
My B. Stop.
What?
Stop. I'm tired of you. You're ridiculous.
I'll go back to that topic.
Yeah. I think that was the better part of the channel. I think that's when everyone thought it was funny when I was just when I was the host.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Out with the old, in with the... Out with the...
Yo, you good?
I have to take the wires off. I'm just being a dick. I'm just being a dumbass. Okay, there's the turn signal. Ow. 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 Please. 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 Okay, is that locked? Is that unlocked? I don't know where the loosing is. Okay, let me take this one. This gotta be easier, right? Top, okay. Take this off. That is super worn out. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, that's not it. That tab, that's like inside the rubber. It's this thing, just in case anyone wants to know. You see this? That is a tab.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Hey, look at that.
Headlights out. Oh, this comes with a rubber bit. Oh, wow, it comes with all of that. Yeah, it actually comes with a brand new rubber piece and everything.
Oh, nice.
So this is garbage.
You just pop it in?
Pretty much.
Like
You just pop the light in. Like, the only thing I need is this.
What is that?
The gray piece. This is the bulb.
Oh, I see.
I don't want it to damage the light. So let's get the new lights. 3496. This is the other light. Fits. Oh my god. That looks absolutely wild. That looks mental.
The thing looks like it's gonna blow up.
I hope it doesn't melt the fucking light casing, because that could happen. Touch the actual bulb, by the way. I don't know if you know this.
Oil.
Yeah, the oil gets on it, and then it'll fucking catch on fire, apparently, or crack it or something. It's wild. I always hate handling bulbs. I feel like they're explosives. Like, fucking, alright guys, we're gonna put this in there. Oh my god. Just stab it in there. Should go only one way. Okay, not that way. I think it's this way. There you go. Okay. Okay. There we go. Now it's in. Okay, so gotta fit the condom around the tip. You see, like, you want to get it around there so it seals, you know? You want to make sure it seals. So you gotta stick your fingers in there, stick as many as you can. Get that shoved in real good, real fucking good, you know? Make sure that that little bulb is, you know? Okay. So now it's pretty much done. Yeah, I don't care. I'm not gonna fucking adjust it. It's like, who cares? As long as it works, man. Oh, that looks so much better already, though. All right, let's get this bad boy in. I gotta do this one first. Holy shit, I got blinded by the reflector. All right, hold on.
That's good, right?
Yeah, that means it's working.
It's gonna work.
Yeah.
Oh man, I'm so excited.
I should test it before I.
Fully seated in.
Yeah. For sure. So I'm gonna just like lay it in, you know, like get it into position, and then I'll do the other one, and then we'll test them both at the same time.
You don't want to test it right now?
No, because I'm not gonna put it back together until. All right, let's do that light, and then we'll test it. I'm a man of let's get it done first, and then test it out. Because why test it halfway through? Because if then it doesn't work, then you have to take it apart.
The whole thing.
Yeah, but if it's all together, you just give up.
And go get lunch or something.
Yeah, you know what? Actually, just break the fucking engine.
Actually,
like,
you know what?
actually, you know what? You got a fucking point there, bud.
I'm recording you revealing the bumper. Oh my god.
There it is. Yeah, that's duct tape, bro.
Yeah, is that? That's not factory.
That doesn't look. Is this straight? Yeah, that's straight. Doesn't look like it was hit. It could have had a fender bender, and they just took it off, and then this fell off, and they just stuck it back on with duct tape.
Mold.
Oh my god! That's an entire roll.
I'm not gonna fuck. It literally started disintegrating the second I touched it. Like.
What'd you say?
What?
Race car. You just start punching. Like, I don't know why I keep punching this car.
I don't know. It's just like it's asking for
Oh my
it.
god! Hey, I'm allowed to do that. You're not the owner yet.
I mean, not yet, but
Stop bumping.
we're getting rid of the fucking headlight anyway.
I know, but I'm the one who punched. Oh, that fucking hurt.
Yeah.
That hurt. I didn't think I was gonna hurt my hand with my left hand. Ray. Oh. Fucker. Oh. Jesus.
You're right.
It pinched my hand. I just like the idea that we're just punching the headlight now. Ah, there we go.
Oh, nice. So you just keep pinching yourself.
I know.
From underneath. Oh wait, you already.
There it is. Oh, okay, it was that. What the fuck? See that? You see all the grease?
Yeah.
It's because the fucking engine's right there. Look at the hole where the grease is. Ooh, look at the grease. Ugh. Okay. Oh my god.
What?
I thought this was siliconed in. I was gonna get pissed.
Siliconed in?
I thought it was, yeah. I was like, oh, we can't change this turn signal now. There it is. Okay, that's there. That's there. Let's test it out, eh?
Oh yeah.
There we go. Alright. Let me see how this looks.
Ooh, setting.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Well,
Lights?
Okay.
Those are driving lights?
Yeah.
Headlights? High beams? Low beams. The pattern looks good too, actually, on your shirt and stuff. How does it look?
It looks good. Looks way, way brighter. Wow. Bro, those...
Oh, those actually are really good.
Yeah, they're really fucking bright.
That was perfect. Why would you do that?
We
The
don't
first
know.
one was an accident.
But
That
then
was
what?
that was a,
That wasn't. No, that was not on purpose. That was an accident.
I know that was on purpose. You
No.
literally kicked it off. Why would you do that?
I
have to clean that up. You're not gonna clean that up.
I'll clean it up right now. Yeah, there you go. I cleaned it up. Bud.
Okay. And that's how you do a light change. So now, you just bring in the extra crew that's gonna put it together, and then you go for a drive. How funny would it be to just have this car in this configuration driving towards you, just running over its bumper?
Oh man, I wouldn't be surprised. I mean, isn't that what every Honda is?
Hey man, come on. Honda gang, the Honda people are real. You know, they're in the chats. They're thanking us for the content,
for saving this one, for
saving it or destroying it. It's one of the two. I mean, honestly, if we hit 100,000 followers and like half of them agree to destroy this car, I would. Like, I have zero fucking qualms about that. I'd rather be famous than with a Honda. The fuck you say to me, you little shit? I quote him at my job.
And then it got you fired, yeah?
Well, no, that was actually not that incident. It was the one with the bathroom. You know, the one with the bathroom. Listen, all I was doing was I was just trying to rehearse for my Titanic band rehearsal, and no, oh, you can't flood the bathroom. That's not allowed. That's felony. And I'm like, what? So I just ran.
After flooding the bathroom, like
just leave it. The play went great. We didn't win, and half the entire team was drowned accidentally in a pool. But other than that, it was swell. I kind of like it with the bumper falling off.
Oh, bro. It looks like this.
Decrepit, old, trash, garbage.
Like the little clips and shit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty wild.
A design like that, no? Could break away easily? An accident or some shit?
I don't know. Technically not, like, because technically this is what's made to crumple, is this area. The hood too, but it has like those like weird bends in it. You see how it has a bend here? These bends here, that's where if it hits, it bends up. That's where it bends it. Yeah. When you look, you can see the design. Yeah, it just needs new bumpers. Honestly, it just needs a new bumper. I'm hoping to find one in a junkyard, though.
Now I'm actually excited to see this thing drive at night.
Yeah, I know. Me too. That's where I hit the person. Yeah, it's crazy.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah. Why do you think I wanted to get the headlights fixed? I don't know if he lived. I just drove away. But you know, it's been pretty okay. It's getting worse. It's been getting worse recently, so I'm gonna have to buy a new water pump and do it. But it's a bitch to do, so I don't really want to. But I never filmed what we did on this car. I never filmed the head gasket, which sucks. We really should have started the channel earlier, because that was such a travesty. The amount of fucking bootlegness in this fucking car was. They had no keyway, which if you don't know what a keyway is, on the crank you have this little notch to make sure that the bolt doesn't slip. It wasn't there. They didn't have one. I had to buy a keyway to actually put it on. The original balancing was literally like cracked in half almost. What else was there? Like, it was missing like 87 bolts. Everything was loose. The head was loose. The gasket was fucked. Everything was fucked on this car. That's pretty much it. Hello, comment section. It's me, your boy.